that lost it away from home.
Remember, Zane? When we went to Mama's work, what happened?
We went to a dead end.
Why?
Because we
How did we know where we were going? Didn't Mama tell us?
the Swiss shop.
Yeah, and which way did Mama tell us to go?
The forest.
The forest?
Yeah.
Was that the right road?
No.
What happened?
We got lost.
And?
We couldn't find the Swiss shop anymore, and it was spooky.
Did you ask Mama why she told us?
Why did you told us?
I got mixed up.
Why did she tell you what?
Why did she tell us? Why did you tell us, boy, doing the forest road?
What was wrong with that road?
It was spooky and I didn't like it.
Why was it spooky?
Because it had all those trees.
What was it?
It was a dead end.
A what?
Dead end.
I'm sorry.
It was a little like